Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing some tips and tricks to help you fall asleep faster. Whether you're someone who struggles with insomnia or just have trouble winding down at night, these tips will help you get a better night's rest. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Establish a bedtime routine. Having a consistent bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. This can include things like reading a book, taking a warm shower, or practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation or yoga. 2. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can suppress melatonin production and make it harder for you to fall asleep. Try reading a physical book or listening to music instead. 3. Make sure your sleep environment is conducive to sleep. This includes things like keeping your room cool, dark, and quiet. Use heavy curtains to block out street lights and noise. Also, invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body. 4. Exercise during the day. Regular physical activity can improve sleep quality and help you fall asleep faster. Just make sure to finish your workout at least a few hours before bedtime. 5. Avoid consuming caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime. Both of these substances can disrupt sleep and make it harder for you to fall asleep. 6. Try aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile and vanilla have calming properties that can help you relax and fall asleep faster. Try using a diffuser or incorporating a few drops of the oil into your bedtime routine. 7. Get sunlight exposure during the day. Sunlight helps regulate our circadian rhythms and can help us fall asleep faster at night. 8. Keep a sleep diary to track patterns. Record the time you went to bed, when you fell asleep and when you woke up. Also note any factors that may have affected your sleep such as caffeine or stress. This will help you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to your routine. And there you have it, some tips and tricks to help you fall asleep faster. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.